Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Laimew shower shell set. And no drilling is recommended. You does not need a drill. You does not need to make holes in your kitchen walls or toilet walls or shower walls. You can attach it by a tape. It's really cool. In this case, it is a pack of 5 bathroom organizer, shower shelf. No drilling is required for this. They are bathroom organizer, bathroom shelves. They come in a black SUS 304 stainless steel material. These bathroom shelves or shower baskets are really nice for shampoo, or for the toothbrush, or for spice in the kitchen, or of course for tools in your garage, for example, to hold them on place at the wall, for example. We have durable and quick draining. It's made of 100% SUS 304 stainless steel. The surface is equipped with the nano spray technology. This shower caddy without drilling is waterproof, rust-proof, non-fading, scratch-resistant and durable. The hollow design allows the water to flow quickly through the gap. This prevents the water accumulation and keeps our bathroom dry. And in this set here, 5-piece bathroom organizing set. These organizers contains 2 shower shelves, 2 of the big ones, the shower shelves, in different sizes, 2 soap dishes, and a toothbrush holder, and 7 adhesives. We thus do not need to buy additional adhesives. Really cool. This shower shelf without drilling set offers more space for organizing our daily utensils, and it is therefore the perfect choice for anyone who wants to keep the room clean and organized. It's really easy to install and non-marking adhesives. The powerful waterproof non-marking adhesive offers us more stability, whose load capacity can reach up to 40 pounds. No drilling and no damage to the wall. Really cool. Simply stick the adhesive and mount the bathroom organizer on it. We are going to say goodbye to messy bathrooms. This no drilling bathroom shelves has been specially designed for anyone who wants to save space in their shower, kitchen or living room. Different sizes meet our storage needs for different items and helps us organize our home more easily without drilling, and is multifunctional. The shower basket without drilling is equipped with 12 hooks that can hold razors, washcloths, loofah sponge, bath bombs, and more. The shower shelf can be installed in the bathroom and helps us to store the shampoo, the shower gel, soap, and other items. Or we install it in the kitchen to store spices and, of course, kitchen utilities. We clean the surface where we are going to attach it. We make sure it's dry, smooth, clean, and no dust, oil, and grease. We tear off the sticker, transparent protective film. We stick the label on the right place where we belongs to, and we keep away from the gap of the ceramic while installing. Then we press this label firmly for around about 30 seconds from the center to the edge, and we squeeze out all the air of this label. Where is air, you have to wipe it out. This is very important because air is not nice under a surface like this here. And then we wait a minimum 1 hour to hang the shelf on the hooks. And then, this is really important, so much important, we wait for 48 hours before we place something on it. This is really important because if we do this not after that 48 hours, the adhesive cannot be make a good combination with the wall, for example, and then it will be drop off. So wait until it's ready for the load. We does not install it over the tile themes. If it is necessary, okay, but then it should be the big areas which comes over it. We install it on flat tiles. We can install it on ceramic tile, on glass surfaces, on frosted glass, on smooth wood, on metal, and on marble. We cannot attach it on painted walls, gypsy walls, and wallpaper. Of course not. It needs a flat surface for it. You can also install it on your desktop, for example, no problem. This stickers only works with smooth surfaces. It not works for rugged tiles, painted walls, gypsum wall, and wallpaper walls. Really important. We make sure we fix the labels correct in the first time. The sticker is not reusable, okay? If you press it, it has to be stay there. But if we can remove it, of course, because it is only attached by adhesive. We use a hair dryer to heat the adhesive first. Okay, a hair dryer to make it warm a little bit. Then we remove it slowly. It will not leave residue and damage to the wall after this process. But take care. You have to get a little bit of temperature into it, or in a hair dryer. Let it warm out a little bit, and then you can remove it easily. And then you can attach it where you like to another place with a new label, of course. That's really cool, and it is really cool alternatively a solution to make a good, nice kitchen or shower organizer with that. This is the Laimew shower shelf. No drilling is required. It's a pack of 5 in this case. It's a bathroom organizer, a shower shelf, a bathroom organizer, a bathroom shelf. It's black, it's stainless steel material, and it makes a really cool and nice job without drilling. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.